Modern minimalist house, seamlessly blending with nature. Amid the tranquility of the countryside stands a modern minimalist house, seamlessly blending with nature. From its elegant terrace, a breathtaking view of a majestic waterfall and a clear, flowing river creates a serene atmosphere. The interior is designed with large windows, allowing natural light to flood the space, while wood and concrete elements add warmth and harmony. This house is not just a place to live but a sanctuary for those seeking peace amidst the beauty of nature.